Alright, so next is going to be the product catalog tab in the WooCommerce theme options. So once we go into here, we can see all of these settings. So right here is the shop page display. We can choose if we only want the products to show, only the categories to show, or both. The category display, it's going to, inside of the category, do you want to display products? Do you want to display subcategories of your category, or do you want to show both? So that's another option. And then right here, the default product sorting. So this is going to sort the products, and you can change this. So you can sort them by price, ascending, sort them by price descending, or the average rating. So that is just going to change the sorting and the layout of the products that you have based off of this criteria. Right here, the shop page header, you can actually enter a shortcode here, so you can make a UX block and put in the shortcode for the UX block here, and there's other videos that you can watch on how to make UX blocks and what they are. So you can add like an image for the header currently right here, and you would enter the shortcode in. You can also enter another shortcode in that's going to replace the shop homepage content. If we scroll down here, we can change the layout of the shop page. So we can, right now it's a left sidebar, and here is the left sidebar, and you can add things into here by going into the widgets and assigning some widgets to the sidebar, the shop sidebar. You can change it to the right if you would like. You can change it to no sidebar, off canvas, so it's a button instead. Right here is going to be the list style of the products. So right now this is a grid layout, this would be a list, and then this would be a masonry style. This button, equal image heights, if you wanted to make all the images, all of the products images an equal height. Here you can display how many products you want to display on the page without, right here would be a 1, 2, 3 page button. So this is how many you can display on one page at a time. The products per row, this is how many products are going to show up in each row. So right now it's set to 3 for a desktop, so 1, 2, 3. On a tablet, it's set to 3, so 1, 2, 3, and then a mobile phone. Here's 1, and then this would be where the second product would show, and you can change this with the slider. With the header right here, you can change the style of it, so you can have it just in line here, or you can put a background to it, or you can center it. And you can also choose if you want to display the title of the page, which is shop. You can turn on and off the breadcrumbs. You can choose a transparent header, but I would only do this. You have to optimize it correctly. And then if we go and scroll down here, there's a couple more options. We can do a background, breadcrumbs. This is just the size of it. And you can choose uppercase or normal. This is how the categories will show if you set up categories to display onto the shop page. You can have the category label on top of the image, and there's a bunch of other options. And then the product box here. So right now it's currently set to left align. We can make it center aligned for all the products here, or we can make it one line. The product image hover style, this is if you had a product gallery. This is the style in which it would show the second image in your product. So when you hover over it, right now it's set to fade in, so if you would hover over the product, it would show the next product in, or the next image in line for this product. You can add drop shadows to your products, and this is going to apply to all products because it's in the theme options. You can apply the hover effect, so when you hover over it, it's going to change the depth. And then there's an add to cart button that you can add to each product. If you click on the third one, it's just going to add a button, add to cart. If you select the second one, it's going to add the add to cart button on the actual product right here. And then you can also change the style of that button. So right now it's outlined. I'm going to change it to plain, And then you can choose if you want to have the short description display for each product. You can disable the quick view, so when you hover over it, that line right here goes away, so you wouldn't be able to access this. And then equalize items, this would just equalize every item, every product, so that they're the same height. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Check out our other tutorials.